Hi all, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So I will discuss about the Twitter, one of the important option. That option name is called everyone we can showing for Twitter ads. So how they will be posting for along with content with the video and website link. How they will be posting this future. Always important. Any people, first of all, you can use in Twitter. The major important option is called we can target your particular videos. What are the videos you target? That is most will be video and your particular website link. So right now I can target will be here best fitness training, lowest price in entire Madhapur and Hyderabad city. So this video I can promoting from along with the video and the website link. How we can promote in this future in this. So its final is destination is called my website traffic. People watching my video and they can reaching for my particular business also. Now, first of all, selecting for Twitter ads, always remember when it is, we can go with option name is called Twitter regular posting. These features are enabled. So I am weekly I can use, twice I can use, there will be nothing will be workout. Along with the video and your website link or WhatsApp link, anything you can add it. Not only for video, we can add by the WhatsApp link also to connecting purpose. In this Twitter ads, when a Twitter ads, they're asking for payment method. In this close it here. There's one more option is called Twitter Analytics. So Twitter Analytics, nothing will work out. And go to sign up in Twitter ads, same page will be go to here. Here they call one symbol is there. This is called Twitter card symbol. In this symbol, not eligible for everyone. When it will be customer will be regular updaters, or then we can using for regular futures, then update will be here. So Twitter timeline, this particular timeline, here it is called here poll, Jeff images, here schedule post everything. In this one more feature is enabled by cards. This will be created for every option will be same. Here is a cards. There is option name is card library. In this card library, we can creating for number of cards based on the options. Create card, website card, video card, image app card, and video app card. So we can promoting for image with the app promotions, video with the app promotion, website with image, video with the website. Selecting for video card. Upload here. So previous I'm promoting this one. Now I'm promoting for season indoor swimming pool, this one. Okay. I can promoting this website. Copy this one. Again, this one. Upload. I can go to this. This always supporting for MP4 videos, not for the GIF videos. The video 2 minutes 20 seconds will be compulsory will be targeted. We can use it for 2 minutes 20 seconds. But always we can go with the 2 minutes 20 seconds videos. Don't exceed video, they can accept it. So here we can use option name is called which is we can give this hard headline. Select it. So already exceed by this 20 characters. Check here. Just go to the 70 character will be supported. Exactly 70 characters. create. This tweet was created here along with a particular title. 70 character will be here. Now I'm posting this option. A particular option will be here. So these are created. This will be temperature. Control into semicolon. Copy this future. Sorry. So we can tag from the particular page where exactly Twitter's and go this. Any page is there, we can selecting from here. In this option. Is not there. So no filter is there. You can go with option will be indoor swimming pool. So now click. I go to website. I'm not going to paid ad. I go to the free ad. Click for tweet option. The tweet will be done. Now show to customer will be go to the profile. For watching this video, when you click this one, they go to your particular website. We have two features. One is called video will be promoting. Second thing will be we can reaching customers will be your particular website also. So there will be showing for video also and website link also. Both will be very comfortable to the reaching for particular audience. That is called we can give this particular option for the customers along with video and particular website also. So I'll show one more thing option will be here. Card library, create video card. I creating for one more swimming pool is called Myra Indoor Swimming Pool located by Manikonda. So copy this, select it. Video always remember, video always MP4 format is most and should important. If you are posting for long videos, they can't will be properly not supported. Video will be always MP4 format. Indoor swimming pool. Manikonda. Myra Indoor Swimming pool. Create. There is called Twitter. Myra Indoor Swimming pool. So in order to promote only tweet. Tweet is done. Check from here. So why I'm not give the promote only? That is when you go to promote ads, there is a click for promote ads only. Whereas I'm doing for organic post. So that is called video. And click here, they go to your particular website. Once the post will be done, we can't edit the in a Twitter option. And once you create library, this video anytime you can post on the Twitter option. Anytime this video will be posted on the Twitter option. And this link we can share it by anyone. So particular friends or anything. So the option will be here, copy link to tweet, share Twitter via. Anything you can share by here. So this will be option will be here. Send by direct message, bookmark, copy link to tweet. This link copy and open for incognito window. How we can show to customers, that is called the video show your customers here. The people will be not follow your Twitter page. They're showing for follow your Twitter page option. So these are option will be given here. Then we'll click here. They go to where in a particular website. At a time we can promoting for video and your website also. So this compose option, always remember when you're regularly we can do this tweets, they show you particular things. You can now to add media and publish tweet all on your page. Try it now for more updates. There is a composer option is also there. Here is the photo and video and cursor post. These are the particulars. Needed untitled ad. What happening? Everyone can get replay, photo and video, cursor post, and website and add media. Click for the tweet option. For example, learn free digital marketing training course, where exactly our content is there. Add media, upload image. So email upload time, how many image we can select from? We can add by number of images, not our 1-2 images. So that is called mining for in this. Here is the option. Here, 2 to 6 photos. Then headline, mining for my YouTube link, not for the website link. Apply all medias. Click for tweet. They will call, will option name is called Twitter and option. This one. Everything we can show by your particular timeline and particular profile. Tweet composers. You can see this one. Here I'm forgetting only for promote only. So that is called, they go to promote option. They're not coming to the Twitter wall. See this one. When I'm selecting promoting only, there is going to the promote options. That is a major impact for the particular users will be here. So simple thing is called, we can select from here. So here is option. Add medium. You can go to save option. Only one image we can select it. In this, copy YouTube URL, remove the promote only. Save. Upload. We can add this option. Save. I can upload the multiple images. So 2 to 6 image will be accepting for this option. This will be cursor post. This will be cursor post. See this one. 3 images are selected. Go back. I remove the promote only option. Careful to tweet is very, very important. In a Twitter one, we can schedule post also. Finally, we can refresh from Twitter. My post will show for the with the multiple images. When click will be YouTube, they go to my YouTube channel option. This is nothing but one more option will be cursor post. Any people will be shown to customers. How we can do this cursor post? That is called multiple image. How many email accepting? 2 to 6 image will be accepted by the your particular option. So this option we can create by the Twitter option for share to the customers. So that is the important for the particular Twitter users. So those options we can use by the Twitter for organic post purpose. So that option name is called, we can go for the Twitter and this option will be here. So those options we can use for the tryout now. Is a one more option name is called as.twitter.com composer. Here is the option. Depend on this here. This called people will be searching for Twitter composer. This will be particular Twitter composer will be here. Twitter ads. You go to ads option. Go back. This try it now. Open for the tweet composer. So this option will be only purpose of ad creation purpose. This is only for Twitter composer ad creation purpose. Use this post for the cursor post and individual image post purpose. When it is not promote only unclick, it is organic post. When promote only is nothing but it go to promoting ads purpose. These are compulsory, keep it in mind to work on it. Any particular question about the Twitter composer ads and multiple tweet ad post, video and image, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.